Okay. On behalf of Camtech Solutions, I am Ashish Sato from Camtech Solutions. I would like to thank to you all, those who are present today for this webinar. Uh, for this webinar, this webinar is focused on with the TetraFoodie softwares. This is not a viewer, basically. This is more than the viewer. Okay, and this comes with the power of the native PDF files. Okay, so this was the webinar was addressed to attend for the various stakeholders in an industry like VPs, CEOs, R&D and engineering team, the person who is working in the various domains of an engineering basically and various departments. They can also be a part of this particular session. And how we will focus you, we will go through you that TetraFoodie is not just a software basically who makes the 3D PDF file, but it's more than that, and it's more than a viewer also. So what are those things? So let's catch up on that. So on behalf of Camtech Solutions and TetraFoodie, I welcome you all. So we have kept very straight agenda towards today's webinar, that we will just find it out what are the, we will getting the answers that what are the problems and the pain areas in an industry at present, how this particular communication of how is the communication and the collaboration is getting done in today's scenario at present in the industry. We will find that there are different problems and different solutions, that each department wants different solutions for their different needs. Okay, and then we will show you how these TetraFoodie softwares can give you the solutions for that. Then we will just see who is using this particular technology. Okay, of why we have to use this technology. Then we will go for the benefits of this technology, and there are a number of capabilities of this. And finally we will just go through with the couple of samples, product overviews for this. In meantime, if you have any questions, I just request you note it down all, and then at the last we can have answers to the each question. So to start with, we'll just come up to the pain areas, as most of us basically are coming from the CAD background. So we all knows that there are lots of pain areas in an industry. Okay, we are designing the product with the help of leading and latest CAD softwares. Okay, and there is not a single software. There are different and multiple CAD softwares available in the market. While dealing in this type of situation, we come across various problems and the pain areas. Some of them we have listed here. So first thing is that we can have the CAD data handling. To handle the CAD data, we require the specific type of tool sets, skills, the persons and the hardwares. Okay. While doing this, the second challenge comes is the CAD data size and the space. Okay, when we are working on the different parts, assemblies or sub assemblies, it comes up. There is the creation of this file size. That particular file size can be get increased and it occupies the space. That again the problem. Okay, then for having all these CAD tools and the CAD platforms, we must have the devices. Those are having the capability to run this type of large softwares. Okay, and once that has been done, so how we can view these things particularly. Okay, if I am a non-CAD user in an organization, how I can view that? So there are the proprietary viewers are there basically, and again that is the problem. Basically we need to pay for that. Okay, as we mentioned earlier also, there are the various departments, they want the access of the 3D CAD. Okay, and it is not always possible that they can get access to for the 3D CAD. Okay, sometimes also we need some translators basically in order this can be used for the communication purpose mostly in an industry, or sometimes it's also needed for the collaboration. This may be between the two organizations, or it may be between the our own organization within the different departments. And so, and when we talked about all these things, basically it comes with the money. Okay, it's not very easy for the organization. Then it comes with the cost and the money and the dependencies. So these are, I hope that all of you will agree with me on these particular points of the pain areas of an industry. Okay, so there are again more pain areas are there, and main problem, another different problems are there in an industry. Okay, because there are the different file formats, and we need to translate the CAD data in different file formats like IGS, mutual files are one of those things. Again, there is a multi-CAD environment. We cannot have the different CAD files coming from the different CAD platforms that can be viewed at a single platform. That is also not possible. While doing all these activity, basically, you can see that there is a lack of branding, and branding plays a very important role in today's scenario. Okay, and to have all these problems, each organization, how many softwares they can buy it basically for to satisfy each requirement of them. So they can go for multiple options, but if they have the Tetrafuri product with their team, all these problems can be get solved. So this is the main pain areas that is there today in an industry. Okay, and with the help of Tetrafuri products, we try to address those things. Now, you also agree that communication is a key area in an industry. In present industry scenario, we are doing various things like today I'm doing this presentation. We need to do various demos, interactions with our customer, with our prospects, interactions with our management. It may be within the organization or outside organization. We are using some marketing collaterals for that. We are using brochures, we are using catalogs, we are using different things. Okay, and we are, while doing all these left hand activities, we are using images, we are using photographs, we are using 2D drawings. If we have the access of 3D models, we are using 3D models. If we are having the animations of those things, basically we are also using those things in the left hand scenario. Okay, and if we have the 3D models, then we can use the viewers for that, but viewers is most of the times it's proprietary. Okay, so while doing the collaboration and the communication in the various levels within organization or outside organization, we are using different tools, or I can say the different technologies like images, 2D drawings, photographs, models, animation. But at many times the situations come that we need to have basically use it according to the customer's thing. We might want the combination of those particular things. Okay, so this is the present scenario what we are talking about within the organization, okay, or outside organization. Now, as I said, there are different departments in an organization. Okay, each department is having their different requirement. Okay, suppose we consider R&D, design, sales, marketing, service, support, engineering, manufacturing, and IT. There are different departments in an organization. Some of them wants viewer. Okay, suppose if I'm not a design person and if I'm working in the marketing and sales, I'll say that I want one viewer basically where I can see the 3D models that design team and the design management, design team or the R&D team will share with me. So my requirement is for the viewer. Okay, suppose I'm the engineering person and I'm working for the manufacturing or doing some machining operations, then I'll ask them that my machine wants IGS file or the state file in order to do my CNC programming, something like that. So you can give me those particular files or a specific file so that I can do. So my requirement is for the just for the translators. Okay, but there are different teams in an organization. If the service and support team is there, if they are making the documentation, so their requirement is that they want to create the documents with the help of 3D. So at that point of time, they want the access of 3D. Okay, they might require the translator and they want to create the document. So if we see that, so different departments having different problems, and for their different problems, there is a different solutions. Okay, so if the company wants to invest in all these things, it's a huge cost. It's lots of cost for the organization. Okay, this is the another main pain area. and the problems are in an industry. Okay, so we will till anybody is having any questions, so you can ask. Uh, Everybody is there with me, or shall I go slow? Swapnil, you are there? Okay, okay. So we'll move to the next point, basically. So, and all these problems, what we talked about, is more or less same with all the type of industry. Okay, and each and everyone going through struggling to get the answers of this. So at present, so Tetra 4D is used by almost all the OEMs and the verticals in an industry. If we talked about OEM, automotive, aerospace, defense, engineering service provider, equipment manufacturer, machine tool manufacturer, packaging, even architect and interior designers are also using this technology. So we will tell you how Tetra 4D can be used as a viewer, Tetra 4D, how it can be used as a translator, Tetra 4D as a technology, how you can create the documents. So we'll come up to that. Okay, so with Tetra 4D technology, we can combine all these things mentioned on the left hand side in a single document. Okay, those has been required for the right hand side. For product presentation, customer interactions, and other things, we can create the high interactive marketing brochures, catalogs, and many more things if we use the Tetra 4D. So we will show you those things in our last session, where we show you the live 3D PDF files and the PDF files, the output from the software. So moving to the next, so benefits. Now this is the second part, the benefits of the Tetra 4D technology. We are addressing, as we have seen the pain areas, we are addressing the data and the size and the space, basically, while we use the Tetra 4D software. There is a great saving space. There is 80 to 95% of reduction in the CAD file size. It is the files is become very easy for handling, and the viewing is also very much important to us. We can view the 3D, that means the documents created by the Tetra 4D software, almost all on all devices. We can see it on laptop, desktop, tab, or smartphone. So all these things can be viewed in the free Adobe Reader, laptop and desktop. And for for tab and for smartphone, we do have an app for that. Okay, so you can view your 3D CAD data anywhere, anytime, on any device. So this is the main advantage of this technology. As we say that it can be used for the company, so almost any department, we are addressing it to. It can be used by any of the departments in an organization. It can be give benefits to all the persons in those departments, from top level management till the production team. And yes, there are lots of advantages and the benefits to the company. Basically, it's 24/7. Okay, now you can see that this particular is the PDF document. I have my PDF document in my pen drive on my mail. Basically, I can save it on cloud and I can access it anywhere, anytime, basically. Okay, and it's in 3D. We will show you that. Okay, so it saves lots of cost to the organization. So these are the more benefits of this technology. There are, you can now this particular slide, we have identified, try to show you how this particular technology is used by different departments. If a person working in marketing, it can be used for making the marketing collaterals, brochures, technical data sheets, and making the catalogs. If it's sales, they can use for the making the product presentations and animations and 3D PDF, as we are discussing. Engineering team is used for the communication and the collaboration purposes. Okay, so they can use it for making the collaborative reviews within the team, outside teams. Manufacturing team can be used make the work instruction, technical illustrations, product documentations, and service teams can also make their various manuals and illustrated part catalogs. And so if you see that this particular technology having the limitless capabilities. Okay, so these are the benefits. What are the pain areas? And with the Tetra 4D product, we are addressing those pain areas, and it's having the limitless capabilities. How you want to use it, it's up to the customer how they want to use it. Okay. Now I'll just go through the small product overview. It's not in deep. Okay, so we create with this software we are creating the 3D PDF documents. Okay, now if we talk with Tetrafody products, at present we are showcasing here two products. One is Tetrafody Converter, one is Tetrafody Enrich. So Tetrafody Converter, it converts the CAD files into the 3D data rich 3D PDF files. And when we use Tetrafody Enrich, it gives interactivity to the next level. Okay, these are the two main products what we have. With both these products, we are offering Tetrafody Reviewer as a free tool. Okay, what is Tetrafody Reviewer? This is the powerful 3D viewer. It's a complete viewer package with the translators and mockup tool. Okay, so you can use this along with the Tetrafody Converter and Tetrafody Enrich capabilities. So with Tetrafody Reviewer, you can get a complete viewer free and the translator free. Okay, so I'll repeat it again. Either you buy Tetrafody Converter or Tetrafody Enrich, you will get Tetrafody Reviewer as a free. I will show you the Tetrafody Reviewer also during our technical presentation. Okay, and with Tetrafody Enrich, you will also get Tetrafody Reviewer. Either you buy any one, you will get Tetrafody Reviewer fees free. Okay, so how these things can be get, what you can do with which tool. Okay, so now the Tetrafody Converter, basically you can create high interactive documentation. With Tetrafody Enrich, its documentation, it's at the next level. And Tetrafody Viewer, basically it's a 3D viewer and a translator combined. You can use this with Enrich or you can use this with Converter. The choice is up to the customer. And with this thing, basically you can see that. So it's all in one software. Basically the 3D viewer, you can get, you can use the capabilities of Tetrafody Reviewer and the translator. And either you can use Tetrafody Enrich or Tetrafody Converter for creating the documentation. So this is the products what we have. The another what are the CAD formats we are supporting? Okay, so I'll just sorry for that. With Tetrafody Converter and Tetrafody Enrich, we are supporting almost all the CAD file formats coming from the leading CAD softwares available today in an industry. It may be CATIA, CATIA V4, V5, V6. It may be Creo, it may be PTC Pro Engineer, it may be Siemens PLM software, Unigraphics, it may be Parasolid, it may be Solid Edge, SolidWorks, IGS, Step, and all. So basically, this is the CAD file formats what we are importing. That means we are supported for the importing, and we are also that we say the translator basically. So you can also translate these particular file formats in different extensions like ACIS, IGS, GT, Parasolid, PRC. This is the compact format basically used for reducing the size. Then the step format in STL format, and these are a couple of more formats has been given for the export functions. So the complete import of the CAD data and the export to the neutral file format so that we can use as a translator. Suppose you are working in the environment where suppose you are having suppose NX, Unigraphics as a software, and you are getting a file from Creo, so you can open those particular files and then you can export into neutral file formats, and then those files you can again open in your NX software. So this is an example basically, so you can use it accordingly. So any questions so far? So I will share with you one example now. Any questions? Hello. Yeah. So I will share with you some examples now. So can you able to see this suspension 3D PDF window, Swapnil? Okay, just a second. So now I'm showing you the output of the 3D PDF software basically. Okay, now you can see that this is the .pdf file what I have opened it into a normal Adobe Reader. Okay, Adobe Reader is freely available across the world, and you can create such kind of interactive documents with respect to it. Okay, so this is the document basically. Okay, this is the document that you can view it anywhere, anytime, basically, on any device. Okay, so in this way, in this manner, basically, you can create the high interactive 3D PDF files from the software, or if you want to export it, you can export it also. Okay, or if you want to make some more interactive PDF document, that also can be get done. Suppose now what I will see, I'll open some more examples for you. Meantime, if you have any questions, you can ask me till it gets open. Okay, now suppose I'll open, you can see that this is the 3D PDF file. This is the file. This is the PDF file basically. This is the file size of this is around 3 MB. I'll just simply say open. You can see this industrial saw, right, Sonia? Okay, okay, just a second, then I'll share the entire screen then. Okay, now can you see now? Okay, now you can see that this is another example of this particular 3D PDF, and you can do lots of things on this PDF. So this is more than a viewer. Basically, you can do lots of things on this particular file. So you can able to set the sections, you can able to view it basically across the various axes. You can align the axis and you can save it and do lots of things. So this is the particular example for the Tetrafody converter. Okay, now I will show you the example for Tetrafody Enrich also. Okay, so Enrich gives us much more interactivity with the documents. Here you can create a multiple pages of your documents basically. Okay, now you can see that this is the multi-page document also you can create. This is the document creation what I am showing to you all. Okay, this is the output of the software basically. So you can do the output as per your need. Okay, now this is the output file from the Enrich software. Now you can see that if I'm clicking here is the bill of material is available for me. Here is the 3D model and it's showing the PMI information. If I'm clicking on the particular part, it's highlighted that particular part. And it becomes very easy for me. Okay, this and this, suppose I send this particular file to you, so you can also view this at your end, though you don't have any kind of viewer installed or any kind of software is installed. What you just need an Adobe free reader. Okay, and Adobe Reader is the free available across worldwide. Okay, so this is the another fantastic example of this technology, basically how interactive you can create the documents, how you can create the exploded views of your system and all. So it's a combination. It's a viewer, it's a translator, and it's a documentation tool. All those three capabilities you can get in one software basically if you have the Tetrafody, and it depends on the customer basically how they wish to use it. So you can also see the PMI information, and we are supporting the PMI. That was one of the biggest advantages of this particular technology. So I guess that was if anyone is having. I will also show you the reviewer software. As I mentioned, this is the documentation part actually. what we have seen it. Okay, I'll just show you. I'll just start the reviewer software. So I have covered the documentation part. Now I need to show you the reviewer, the Tetrafooty reviewer, and the translator. So that's I will show you. Now you can see that I'm opening this Tetrafooty reviewer software. As we mentioned, that Tetrafooty reviewer software comes with the free with Tetrafooty converter or Tetrafooty enrich, whatever may be the software that the customer buys, they will get this particular software as a free. Okay. So now you can see that I have triggered this particular software independently. Okay. So now you can use this as a viewer also. Okay. So that was the biggest advantages of this technology. Now what I will do, I'll just open one of any of the part available at mine. So this particular is a complete viewer. You can take the advantage of this particular software as a complete viewer. Now what I will do, I'll just open any the 3D PDF. Any of as I mentioned, we are now you can see that we are supporting all the leading and the latest CAD file formats like Creo is there, Inventor is there, Annex is there, Parasolid is there, Step is there, Solid Edge, SolidWorks, all the things are there. Okay, and KTA is also there. Okay, so now I will just say this after assembly. This is the CAD part basically. I'll say open. Now the Tetrafooty engine starts it basically, and it will bring that particular part. Now this is the viewer. Okay, initially the examples what I showed to you is for the documentation. Okay, now you can do lots of things within the viewer. As the viewer, what we want for the viewer is basically for the visualization and for the design reviews we can use it. Basically, you can also get some physical properties of the part if you needed for that. Okay, you can set the positions of that. You can able to change some kind of transparencies. You can, if you wish to add and all that, also can be get done in the viewing things. You can also get the bounding box capabilities are also available here for the you can also get the bounding box things needed. This is the much needed tool for the various decision makers. Basically, you can also able to get the physical properties for the particular part. Okay, also you have leverage to add the dimensions to it. Okay, so this is another unique part. Those are the needed for viewing of the for any of the decision makers and the person who is taking the decisions to move ahead on it. Okay, and also you can create a ballooning here and add the markups. So this is the viewer. Okay, now you can see that as we mentioned, you can act as a translator also. So now you can see that we are having you can see that you can export this particular file form in various file format like PRC, JT, IGS, STL file formats. So it acts as a translator also. So here are the three benefits that you can get it with us with our software. That is the combination of the three. So you get all in, that is the viewer, translator, and the documentation. Okay, so that was the thing from mind. Now I request that you have any questions or any doubts, you can ask us.
Hello.
So yeah.
So Mahesh here.
Yes, Mahesh sir.
Yeah, I have
Good
a
afternoon,
couple of
sir. Please tell.
questions, sir. Being a technical guy, I would like to ask in terms of TIA file, what is the maximum size it will support to open the data and convert it back?
Open of the data, it depends on the size of that particular model. Okay, whatever maybe the references what we have, till date we have open for specifically with KTR. If you're asking, we have open around 700 MBs model. Okay.
Okay.
On the normal system, and the time it would take is around 4 to 5 minutes of time, and the conversion after opening, what we have converted it into a PDF file. So the conversion what our customer got is around 30 MB file. It's an assembly of complete press.
Okay, okay. So it was an assembly of around 700 MB which opened in 4 to 5 minutes. And,
Yes, yes.
I would like to ask what would be the minimum hardware configuration to open such a file? Say around
What
700
was-
or 800 MB.
Yeah, so minimum configuration we are required the latest processor for that, minimum 4 GB of RAM. What is there available on my system basically? If you have the good configurations available for the hardware, then it would be the process would be a bit faster.
Bit fast, yeah. Okay, and secondly, there is one doubt that if you open a CATIA file, we can save it in STEP or IGS. That's neutral
Yeah.
file. But if you
Yes.
want to save the same file, say suppose there are many versions in CATIA, many releases,
Mhm.
call it as release. So we have a latest release of R28. Say suppose we open that file, and my
Okay.
customer is using a lower release of R21.
Mm-hmm.
Can we save that same CATIA file into lower version of CATIA for R21?
No, we are not saving the CATIA file in CATIA. Okay, we are saving it into, that means we are translating it to the neutral file format like IGS
Neutral
tape.
file.
Yeah, we are not. Now we can see that I'll just open it again. Basically, we can export once suppose this is the CATIA file we have opened, and we can able to export this particular file in this given formats.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Not CATIA to CATIA.
No. That is not possible. That is not available with the two.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Any more questions, please? Mr. Saket, you have any question? Mr. Shantavir?
Ashish sir, one more. Just a small
Yeah,
question.
please. Yeah, please.
In CATIA, we have one file format named as CGR.
CPM.
CGR, CATIA Graphic Representation.
Okay.
So is it possible to open that file, CGR file?
No, I don't think so that the CGR file has been mentioned.
Yes, sir, it is there. It is there.
Yeah.
Besides cat drawing, it is there, sir. .cgr.
No. I don't think so. It is included in the package.
You can see that CATIA line, sir. Cat part, cat product, cat shape. Besides that, there is .cgr also. It is there. I got it.
Yes. It is there. Here
Yeah,
is
it
there.
is.
The .cgr. Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Got it.
Okay, so it's quite long file. Okay. Any more questions, please? So, can we conclude it off? Swapnil, you have any question? Okay. Yeah, you have any more requirement basically with these tool technologies, how it can be get useful for you and or for your organization. So we are supporting as a Chemtech Solutions. We are supporting it's more than 450 plus organizations across the India. Okay, for this for various technologies. I mean to say, not for this particular thing. So you have anything on that regard? You just let us know. So I Ashish Sato from Camtech Solutions and with my colleague Swapnil, I thank you all for your valuable time for taken out today for this that means webinar on Tetrafuri 3D PDF product. It's not the viewer, it's more than a viewer. Thank you all.